Hey guys, Yes here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I'm really excited about today's video because I've not done a hair video for my channel in like, woof, I can't even remember how long. But the day of today, I've partnered up with IGK to show you guys how I got these really nice, super effortless waves with a flat iron. Yes, and also I achieved them in under 10 minutes. So they're pretty quick, pretty easy, pretty fabulous, if I do say so myself. So if you guys want to check out how I got this hair, then please keep watching. You guys, I haven't done a hair tutorial in like a hot minute. Like, it's been a really hot minute. And I also haven't heat styled my hair in like 2 weeks because I'm actually gonna go lighter today, actually tonight. I'm gonna go lighter. So I've been trying to like baby my hair because having blonde hair really is, it's a thing and it requires upkeep. But okay, too much chat, let's get started. All right, my hair is looking a little bit crazy, but let's get started. First off, we got a little bit of like grease, even though it's not like crazy greasy, although I don't know, it's in between like kind of greasy and like a lot of greasy. But you definitely don't want to style your hair when it's like this, just because it's gonna like weigh it down, and it's just like not gonna be cute. So you're not really gonna have any volume just because you have a lot of like buildup up there. So we definitely have to go in with some dry shampoo. So this is the one that I've been using. It is the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. It has a deep cleanse level, detoxifying, oil erasing, and scalp soothing. So if you guys do recall, in my unboxing video, I was kind of like shook because I was like, wait, like what does like the charcoal do? You know what I mean? Like why, like how do you put charcoal in a dry shampoo and what does it do? So the charcoal actually like takes off like the excess oil. It removes dirt, and then it also like removes the stench, okay? So it kind of like eliminates the odor, but the charcoal pretty much kind of like cleans your hair. So you're almost like washing your hair, but like not really, like you're like cleaning it, but you're not having to like actually wash it, you know? So this has been like a lifesaver for me. I've been using it because I started traveling and I started using it I think like a few days after that video, and me encanta. So let me show you guys how to use it. It's pretty easy because like as you guys can see, it does not look cute and it's just like not the business. Honestly, I wish I had dry shampoo, or I wish I knew about dry shampoos when I was in high school, because it was like such a thing when I didn't like wash my hair and I just felt like it looked gross. And like do you see how it just kind of like it clumps? Oh my god, like so ugly, so embarrassing. I hate it. But anyways, so you just kind of like shake it. And then what I'll do is I'll go in sections. So I'll kind of like go in here and then go in here. And then I'll let it like sit, and then I'll just kind of go in and like massage it. And I also really like this because not only does it like clean your hair, but also like you can start feeling that you have better texture, which is amazing for whenever you're gonna do any kind of hairstyle where you want some volume. All right, so now that we've added all of our dry shampoo and we kind of took like a quick little shower, we're gonna go ahead and go in with this Dove Styling Care Smooth and Shine Heat Protection Spray. Because since we are gonna be adding heat to our hair, we always wanna make sure that we're like protecting it and stuff. Trust me, I've learned the hard way after a lot of breakage. You need to protect it, you know? You can go like in sections, and it's just like a little spray. But you guys, definitely always use a heat protectant in your hair. It is so important. Do this to it. I don't really know what that's called, but just kind of like work the product into your hair. Wait for it to completely dry. Alright guys, so I already parted my hair in sections, and we're going to be taking, how much is this? Is this like an inch and a half? I'm not sure, but the tool that we're going to be using is this one from Bellamy, and it is actually a straightener, but I really like this one because it kind of has like the round edges, so that is what gives you like that really nice like effortless wave. I'm gonna have to zoom out because you can't see all of my hair. If this is your first time ever waving your hair with a straightener, it might seem a little bit difficult just because you're gonna be doing like really weird like hand movements, but I really like the waves that I get when I do this. So like for this one back here, it might get a little weird because I'm gonna be doing like weird positions, but once you like practice it, you'll get used to it. So you're just gonna go back here and just kind of like literally twist. And I love this. I really like this straightener. What is this movement that I'm doing? I really like this straightener because it is like the what are these called? The plates are super easy to like, they're like very smooth so it doesn't pull your hair. But do you guys see that cute little cow? You know? I've yet to find a wand that gives me this exact wave. Like I've tried bigger barrels, I've tried smaller barrels, and there's nothing quite like this straightener. So yeah, so we're just gonna do that. This piece a little off, but you don't want to do everything in the same direction because you don't want it to like clump into each other and just look like one big wave. So you want to go in and out. All right. And then you just kind of grab it and just kind of like continue to like wave it, you know? And then once you get to the end, you want to let it go like right there. So that way you kind of have more straight ends and it's not like a not cute like curl at the end, you know what I mean? So you kind of see like the motion there. And where's my, there we go. So we kind of let the end. I never really like to curl my ends just because I don't know. I just personally don't like how it looks. I know it's like really weird. I actually started waving my hair with the straightener when I was in high school. And the first time that I tried it, I was like, what in the world? This is like so hard. But after a while, like you'll just kind of like get it. All right, so now I'm gonna be going in with this hairspray from Big Sexy Hair. It is the Soy Touchable with Argan Oil. I really like this one and I feel like it gives you good like volume and texture. So we're gonna go as close to the root as possible. And then kind of gonna like take it and then you just wanna like slide it almost. And there we go. You see? And even though these might look a little bit weird like that, you can like split it up. And then it kind of like becomes its own wave. Alright, so once it comes to like up here and everything that's framing your face, you definitely want to start right at the root. Just so it'll kind of like open up your face, you know? So it kind of like opens out and is like, hello, you know? You never want to go inwards in here because then it kind of like, no. So like this one right here, we're going to go inwards. But then this one, we're gonna go outwards. There we go. All right, so I'm loving how it's looking. It does need a little oomph, but we're gonna take care of that at the end. Alright guys, so now that our hair is nice and waved, we're going to go ahead and add some hairspray just to be sure that it stays in place. And you don't have to be like super careful about it just because since it is more of like a loose, messy wave, we don't have to be super like careful. Alright guys, so now we're going to go back in with the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. And we're just going to put it everywhere. It smells really good too. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and just like run our fingers through our hair. So we're kind of seeing that we already have that really nice, very like loose wave. Alright, so if you want a little bit more volume up at the top, we're gonna go ahead and just kind of go in here. Do that. Massage it in. And then we're gonna go kind of back into the same section. Again, it's pretty messy, so it doesn't really matter if it's like a perfect part or not. I'm gonna take my hairbrush and just kind of like slowly like brush in there. And then kind of brush out. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was super quick, super easy, super fabulous. Okay, I got you guys. But don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see from me next. And also don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any future uploads. I love you guys so much and I'll catch you guys on the next one.